In this video, I am going to tell you how to format your text in the HTML language. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So let's get started. In our previous video, we have studied how to type our text in different types of fonts. So here you can see the our last code. I will open my VS Code. So here till now we have created a code like this. So in this video I am going to tell you how to format your these all text like paragraphs and headings. So for formatting it, I want to create a new paragraph. I will write tag P. So I have created this tag. So for making this paragraph bold, here you want to add bold hashtag B and write it closing tag here. And now save this. After refreshing the page, here you can see a bold text has been formed. So here I have some of the list of the tags. So here you can see tag B is for the bold. So here we will use the tag strong. I will copy this tag. I will paste it here and I will type this is strong text. I will save this. After refreshing the page, here you can see a strong text and bold text looks as it is. So now we will try italic text. I will copy this. I will paste it down. This is italic text and save this code. After refreshing the page, here you can see italic text. So now in the list is implies text. I will copy this code. I will paste it here. I will save it. After refreshing the page, here you can see implies text and italic text look as it is. So now we will add a mark text. I will copy this mark tag and I will paste it here. This is a mark text. I will save it. By refreshing the page, you can see mark text look like this as a highlighted text. So here our next type is small text. By the reading the tag, you can know the what is a function of this text. Function of this tag is to make the text small. I will save it code, and after refreshing, here you can see it is smaller than all above. So here our next tag is delete, deleted text. I will copy this tag and I will show its demo. So here you can see the deleted text means the text which is deleted. So our next tag is inserted text. So here I will show its demo. I will save this code, and after refreshing our demo page, here you can see inserted text means underlined text. So our next tag is upscript text. I will copy this. I will save it. After refreshing the page, for knowing its function, I will type some of the simple text before. I will save it. So after refreshing the page, here you can see what is the function of this tag. This tag makes the text downward to the main tag. So I will create another one. But in the place of subscripted, here I will paste the tag of superscripted and see the magic. I will delete this tag. SUP and I will save it. After refreshing the page, here you can see subscripted means the text which is above and subscripted means the text is below.
Thank you friends for watching this whole video. If you like this all tags, then like this video and share it with your friends for knowing them about HTML. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. Jai Hind.